Well, hello everyone. I hope that your day is going absolutely amazing whenever this video finds you. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Alyssa. It is so incredibly nice to meet you. I hope that you'll consider subscribing and hanging out with us. And if you are not new here, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to today's video. So as you know, I missed a week of planning and doing a plan with me. I did end up planning, but because of what happened that week, I just really needed to sit down and plan on my own just to kind of get back into the groove of it. I was wanting to plan, but I wasn't quite wanting to film it. I think that was because I didn't want to have to talk about what happened. What happened didn't happen in this week. It happened the following week. I'll sort of briefly discuss it as to what went on, but I probably won't get into what really happened until maybe that video, or just maybe never, because I'm still a little bit traumatized from it. So very quickly, the week that I was supposed to be filming this video, Natty was in an accident, and I saw it happen. It was probably the worst thing I ever saw, and I'm still trying to work my way through it. She is fine. She gets her cast off. If you've been following me on Instagram, then you know what's going on, sort of. But she's got a cast on. It comes off in a couple days, which is really nice. It's been about 2 weeks now on Wednesday that it happened. And I don't know, it kind of put me in a funk. And I think for those of you who are pet moms or dog moms or cat moms, you understand that when your beloved animal, because they're kind of like a child, gets hurt or isn't well, it kills you. It takes a lot out of me, at least for me. I don't have kids. She is my kid, and I love her very much. So I had a really hard time with that. I'll go through maybe next week, if I'm willing to talk about it, what exactly happened, and then kind of what we're doing now to make it not happen again. So okay, so this is for the week of the 22nd of November, my final week of autumnal spreads. I am very excited to be moving into Christmas. As soon as I'm done with this one, I'm actually going to start my plan with me. That way I can kind of play catch up and hopefully have 2 or 3 up in the next week or so. So I'm kind of just a week behind like I normally am, because I always plan that way. Once my week ends, I film as I'm preparing for the next week, kind of thing is how I film, for those of you who are new here. So this spread is absolutely gorgeous. It is from Saucy Stickers. I do PR for her. I have a code. It is Alyssa15 for 15% off your order. I wasn't sure if I was going to film this, but I love this kit. You guys, you need to see it. It's so cute. If you pick it up, hold it on to it for next year, because it's absolutely gorgeous. And a lot of you said you'd be really happy even with just a walkthrough. So I'm going to do this walkthrough. So this is a photo style kit. It has rose gold foiling like most of my autumnal kits were, and it is absolutely beautiful. I love it. So we're going to kind of start with what happened. This was a very simple week, nothing really crazy, super easy. It's the following week that kind of threw me for a massive loop that I wasn't expecting. So, okay. So we'll start off with Monday. So Monday, of course, I used, as all of my top kind of florals, they were all from Alyssa Craft Shop. I used 2 full sheets on this spread. As you can see, I have quite a few florals. And then these really pretty foil toppers are from Letters to Apollo that I just layered on top of them. And then these cute little leaves here, the little date dots, those are from Paper Trails. I'm kind of sad to be putting those away for next year, but I do have some left over, which I'm excited to use next year. And then, yeah, so Nettie, I took her to the park in the morning. I use White Deer Stationery, all these little tiny, I don't know, icons, I guess, or illustrations. They're from White Deer Stationery. She has a Canadian shop, and it's really great when you order, especially if you're in Canada, because over a certain amount, which is a very kind of nominal amount, you'll get free shipping, which is really exciting. I just received 2 orders from her. I have them here somewhere. I just put them somewhere because I'm going to be popping them in my next haul. If you haven't already, I did a haul last week. So make sure you check that out. And then I also have my winter Christmas roundup coming this week. I've already filmed it. It's a big edit. So it'll hopefully be up on Tuesday or Thursday. If not, following Thursday, the following Tuesday for sure. But I'm probably going to edit it tomorrow. That is my plan. And then after that, oh, by the way, these cute little things here are from Honey Inked. They're just little tiny leaf clusters, and they're super cute. I did a grocery run. I use an icon from Crafts by Towie, and then these really pretty little, I don't know how to explain them. They're like little string lights. Those I had in my freebie reusable book, but I believe they're from Sadie Stickers. And I also have these cute little guys here, which I believe are from Giving Girl, and they're so pretty. The little tiny round, I use quite a few of those little round snowflake overlay sticker pieces. So, and then I also filmed and I edited my video from the week prior, which was this one. I filmed that there. And then on Tuesday, I ordered our barbecue. So we actually had, our condo comes with like a barbecue, like a little gas line. Not all of them do. There's only, I want to say about 20 in our entire condo that do. Ours is one of them. And I ordered our barbecue. Funny enough, it's an electric. It's not a gas one. We didn't want anything too big, especially just for the winter. Maybe for the summer we might upgrade, but for now it's perfect. It's small. I use these really pretty little Christine's Paper Studio dividers with some more string lights. And then these cute little heart floral pieces are from Letters to Apollo. And then I also ordered the cover for it as well because winter is coming. I want to make sure that it is safe. I also filmed a haul and then I edited that haul. So that wasn't the last haul, it's the haul prior. So if you haven't seen that, make sure to check it out. And then Kayla stopped by in the afternoon and she picked up all of her stickers. She had a huge chunk with me. We do order together. If you're new here, I order with some of my planner friends. Being in Canada, shipping can get really crazy. Like we're talking $18, $20 Canadian. So when you order with a bunch of friends who all want to order, it's nice because you can cut down on that shipping and it all kind of orders together, which is great. And then sometimes Yana does it, sometimes I do it. And I usually order, normally it's for Yana, and Kayla and myself, and then sometimes some of my other planner friends like Laura pops in as well. So yeah, I actually have one waiting for her that I'm going to drop off later today, so that's exciting. This little goodie here is from a freebie from Two Little Bees, and of course it being Tuesday, it is from, we did a Taco Tuesday, and this cute little box is from the Giving Girl. All right, on Wednesday I did a condo deep clean. I had the day off, and I just deep cleaned. That's pretty much it. I layered it over some florals and then some regular florals, and I used a little bucket and sponge from White Deer Stationery. And then this pretty little kind of row of leaves are from Honey Inked. It's from the freebie. And then I also made sure to check my grades because right now I am about to write my final exam tomorrow. So I wanted to know what I was going into my exams with. Really good grades, so I am not too concerned. And then I worked later on that afternoon. I had a little quick shift, and then again I used a little Giving Girl box with the Paper Trails work script, and then a cute little divider from Sadie Stickers. And then I have this wallflower half mandala, and that is from Letters to Apollo. It is super, super cute. And then I also popped online for school and I prepped my winter schedule. I'm not completely done. I have to make some changes to it. We're aiming to have me, my advisor and I are aiming to have me completely graduated in June, July. So the whole thing was, if you're new here, I did so I finished my diploma, and then my grades are really high, so a university here took me in. I can do one full calendar year with them and turn my diploma basically into a degree. So I am doing that. I have, I think in total about 7 or 8 more courses. So I'm taking 3 to 4 this semester, depending on my work situation coming in the spring, because I just applied for a full-time position with the company that I'm with, and which I'm very excited for, because if I get it, it'll be nice, which means I'll only take probably about 3 courses. And then in the summer, just the first 2 months of the summer, I will go ahead and take my remaining couple courses, probably about 3 to 4, and then be completely done, which is really nice, because then my contract with that position, if I get it, will be over and I can move into my field full time, which is hopefully a game plan. But as we know, plans don't always go as planned. So that is the plan. So I went ahead and I did that day. And then on Thursday, I scheduled my videos. And that was the haul and the plan with me for that week. I use this really pretty over mandala, and I don't know where it's from. It was in my freebie binder. I want to say Dash of Sun, but I could be wrong. And then I layered it over Simply Beautiful Plans half mandala as well. I also did a laundry day that day, so I did a bunch of laundry, which I actually have going now. So if you hear swishing, my laundry is going. I have my bedding going, and my dishwasher, so it's a little noisy in here. And I have this really cute little divider here. This one is from Honey Inked. It's left over from my summer collection. And then this really pretty thin line bow divider is from Sadie Stickers. And then down here I worked, so I had a later shift that day, And then I also did a quick little soup for dinner. So, and I did that in our pressure cooker, and then I ended up blending half of it. So, and then again, we have this really pretty little divider here from, where is it from? I said it earlier, Honey Inked. All right, on Friday, it was a natty morning. By the way, every morning I take natty. Well, at the time, not so much this week or last week, but natty goes to the dog park. So I didn't put it all in here because I didn't want you to have to see dog park, dog park, dog park. I know that I take her, but this was a natty morning. We actually went to the dog park, and then we took a nice little stroll home, and we just kind of chilled. It was a really easy day. Did a little bit of a yoga workout here. Again, these little string dividers, I believe, I want to say they're from Sadie's, but I actually think they're from Giving Girl. And they came with a freebie. And then I have this little transparent box. This is my first time using a transparent sticker because I don't normally. And that is from Saucy Stickers. I just layered it over. And then this cute little icon is from Pretty Pinko. And then some more little florals at the side from Miss and Meow. And then I also did some sticker shopping. Friday is kind of my sticker shopping day. I wait for like the week to see what I want to grab, and then I make a list and I pick up what I need. So instead of having to impulse buy, I've been trying to make a list of things that I know I need, which is kind of sort of helped. And then I did that day. And this cute little script is from Paper Trails. And then I did a quick little bath for Natty because Little Miss was dirty from the park because it was muddy that day. So we did a little bath, and this cute little icon is from Crafts by Towie. And then a Saturday, did any bills that I had to do for my credit card. I only have one, and it's very, very low, but I still like to kind of keep up with it. These little hanging things are from Giving Girl, yes. And then this cute little box here is from, and the bills are both from Two Little Bees. And then down over here, I worked again. That was my Saturday shift. And then again, I had some little hanging lights from the Giving Girl. And then some little florals here from Paper Trails. Another little floral or leaf here from Honey Inked. And then I did Natty's bedding. So I washed all of her beds, all of her blankets, some of her sweaters, because we are into sweater season now for her. And yeah, that was kind of pretty much all I did. And then here I just went to family dinner. So I just used a whole bunch of florals, and I layered a quarter box on top of it with just a little tea and some cubes. It's super cute. And then some little leaves. So it wasn't a crazy week for me. On my to-do list that week, I had laundry. I had Natty's laundry, which I did. I filmed and I edited. I ordered our barbecue. And I transfer any to-dos that I have in my planner onto here. So you kind of get an idea of what's been going on. But I think I'm going to start turning my sidebar into more decorative, because I ordered a journal. I ordered a journal from Aurastyle. I ordered a cover from Aurastyle and a whole bunch of journaling stickers. So I'm going to probably be using my journal as more of like a decorative functional kind of planner, and then this will be again my decorative plan with me's that I do every week. Will I plan with that on here and do plan with me's or show you what I do? Maybe I might do some little updates, but that was meant to be mostly kind of for me, and then I'll show like little pieces on Instagram, but that journal's meant to be for me. I do like planning functionally, but I noticed I was missing the stickers and I was losing that whole like want to plan in a functional planner. So I'm going to be using my journal for that. I'm not going to be journaling. I'm not a journaler. I wish I was. I just don't journal. That's not how I kind of get my thoughts and everything out. This is kind of how I do it, is in a planner form. So I'll let you know how that journey goes. I will haul it just like normal, but yeah. And then I'm going to let you know what's been going on the sidebar before I wrap up this video. Over here we have, let's see, I've got the Sadie Stickers X Shante wood. It's really, really pretty. It's the birch wood hanging box. And I layered it with the Alyssa Craft Shop. So I have some florals going over and under, and then again under and over, and then some little florals here and those little clusters. The November abbreviated script is from CD Stickers. And then I used some dividers. These are from Christine's Paper Studio. And as always, my little skinny dividers are from Dash of Sun. You know I love them. They're my fave. And then again, some florals at the side, and that's kind of it. So that is my week. This was a perfect spread. I absolutely love this spread. I love how it turned out. This kit from Saucy Stickers is absolutely beautiful. So make sure to go and check her out. Also check out all of the shops I mentioned. A lot of the shops that I did mention, I have a coupon code or a PR code down in the description box for you. So make sure to check those out. Support those shops, support small. I love it. And I will see you in a couple days with my either my next plan with me or my winter Christmas roundup, which by the way is a very long video. I don't know how to cut it down because I can't end up cutting out any of the kits and stuff, so it's gonna pretty much just have to be a very long video. So make sure you have some tea and popcorn for that, where I basically just go through anything that I picked up for kits, extras, little goodies for my spreads. And the whole idea for that is to show you kind of what's coming up if you want to plan along with me, or if you are looking for kits and you don't quite know, or you want to discover a new shop. It's a really great way to discover shops because I got quite a few shops in there that I've ordered from that you can see. So that is it. I will see you soon for one of my next videos. That'll probably be in a couple days, and that'll either be my next plan with me again or my winter Christmas roundup. So stay safe, guys. I will see you soon. Bye.